Okay, new thing in the garage. This is a transformer, a 600-watt transformer. So think of it in terms of this 12 volt, but a lot more powerful. Now I want to be very, very clear. This is not a battery charger. The way that you have to look at it is like a really, really big transformer. There's no fancy electronics that does the balancing for cells. It doesn't know if it's a lithium ion or a lead acid battery. It's just a big power source, up to 600 watts worth of power source for devices that require 12 volt power. You know, when you scramble in the garage because you have to test out a stereo or something that requires a 12 volt battery, but you don't have a 12 volt battery that is charged or functional, or you want to hook up to your car or whatever, you know, and then you're afraid the next day you're going to go to work and your car is not going to start. Well, you don't have to worry about it anymore. This big thing is specifically designed for that, and I'll show you that in this video. And this is where I needed it. This is a diesel heater. The way that it's designed is that it has these probes on the side, so you could just clamp on things to it. So you turn it on, you take your negative terminal, you clamp to it. You see how simple it is? And then you take the positive terminal, you clamp to it, right? Now it senses that there is a consumer on the side. So now when I push this thing out, now my diesel heater that requires about 300 watts to start, not to run, but to start, is going to start pulling about 300 watts out of this battery backup. Now, why am I not running this one directly from the 12 volt? This one can only handle 10 amps, and this one requires 20 amps to start. This one can provide 50 amps. And right now it's already pulling 200 watts. It's heating up the element in it, so you could jumpstart the diesel. One other thing that it comes in the box is that this adapter. It gives you a 12 volt, and then you have two probes that you connect to it, and then you have a regular socket. So this basically simulates a car. Also, you have these probes, and then these are just regular probes. Now these are a little bit misleading because I've tried to hook it up to my car battery, but as soon as I do so, it turns off. I think it can sense the resistance that comes in. I don't think that it's meant to charge car batteries. So if you take something out of this video, this is a power supply. This is a big transformer to give you a constant power flow into your workbench if you work with a lot of 12 volt stuff. But pretty safe, plastic at the bottom so you don't make shorts in between the probes. They are quite far. These are some solid connectors over here. I want to mention that it also comes with accessories. It comes with a mounting bracket for the back, so it can stay on the wall. It comes with a very, very clear instruction manual, so you have a very, very nice instruction manual with everything you need. It's written in plain English, which is also good, not a bad translation. And then you have your 12 volt and you have your regular probes. Pretty good device. I actually like it, and it has a blue light, so you know it's on. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.